If you've ever struggled to place an object directly onto a surface in Blender, there's a really quick way to do it. First, make sure you're in object mode. Now, create a new plane mesh and scale it to roughly match the surface you want to work on. Next, click the magnet icon at the top of the viewport to enable snapping. Use Shift plus Tab to toggle it on or off. Open the snapping options and change the snapping type to face. Now, simply move the plane toward your target object. Blender will automatically snap the plane onto the nearest face. Once it's in the right position, switch to edit mode. From here, you can start extruding the plane like normal and build your mesh directly on the surface. And that's a simple way to snap an object to a surface in Blender.